Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on Bonk. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price on a Bonk broke out a very long-term downtrend line resistance and it was about to retest the previous downtrend line resistance as a support. And this was one of those videos. And now if we take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then you can see that the price can move more down. And now here, you can see that it has started accumulating very close to the previous resistance that can now act as a support. But so far, it is not able to hit this previous resistance to test this level as support. And it is also moving above this very strong and long-term resistance on that start from point 00001416 and goes to 1506. And that was previously working as a resistance here, this 1416 to $1506. Resistance had been previously working as a resistance here, and support here. And now, after the breakout, it can again work as a strong support for the price line of Bonk. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I have also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of April 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for PHP, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. Like this signal I shared on 17th of April 2025 in my members. And here you can also find the complete trade setup, buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was a very massive rally, by the way. Now, let me take you to the live chart of Bonk, and this is the daily time frame chart. And you can see that for the past several weeks, even for the past few months, it was getting rejected by this long-term downtrend line resistance. Since after 16th of November 2024, it was getting rejected by this resistance. By the way, before that, we also broke out the very big and long-term symmetrical triangle as well. Now we are set to the 7-day time frame chart, and this was that symmetrical triangle that we broke out. Then we had a nice, powerful pump, and for a while, the price then also broke out this long-term resistance zone as well. That starts from 40 and goes to 44. By the way, this resistance zone has been previously working as a resistance zone here, resistance here, and after the breakout for a few days, it had been working as a support zone. Let me switch back to the daily time frame. And here you can see that it was breaking as a support zone, but it was also getting rejected by this downtrend and resistance, therefore could not continue this move to the upside and broke down the support zone once again. And here again, we tried to break out this resistance zone from 40 to 44, but could not break it out and move more down. And after this big drop, the price informed a double bottom here. And now recently we have again broken out this very long-term downtrend and resistance. And now there is a probability that the price may soon try to break out this very long-term uptrend and resistance. That was in fact the support of the previous symmetrical triangle, this long-term support that can now act as a resistance. In fact, after the breakdown, it is flipped into resistance. You can see that we got rejection here on 14th of Feb 2025, and this time the price went very close to this resistance but could not break it out. And now there is a probability that soon we may see another attempt to break it out. And as soon as the price breaks out this uptrend line resistance, I'm expecting that it can imminently move up to this long-term resistance on that starts from 40 and goes to point 000044 dollar. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.